You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is x smaller than -7. Let's solve it step by step. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Add 8 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by -5. Whenever you multiply or divide by a negative, reverse the inequality sign. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is x smaller than -7.